Okay, here we've got a question about a binomial expansion. We've got a bracket to the power of 3 and we've got to get it into this form. And for that you need to look up the binomial expansion in your formula book. There's also a worked example in your chapter 2 booklet. It's round about page 13, example 2 I think it's called, which gives you the method for expanding that out. Having done that one, you may just be able to adapt the answer to A1 in order to just write down the answer to A2. That's what you're supposed to do, but it's also okay to go back and start all over again with the same bracket with a minus in it and get another expansion for that. Part B is hence. That means we need to take these two answers, and it's fairly obvious what we have to do with them. We have to take away our two earlier answers, and look, it gives you the answer, so you've got to get convincingly to that. Finally, in part C, again hence, show that the curve with the equation, this, well, we've seen this before, and we know that that simplifies to that expression there. So instead of working with this equation, clearly here's the equation, y equals that is the equation of the curve you're looking at, and we have to show it has no stationary points. And you'll remember from core 1, stationary points is code for a particular thing equaling a particular value. So at a stationary point you say something equals something, you set up an equation for x, and you want it to have no stationary points, so you need to prove somehow that that equation in x just doesn't have any solutions. And if you succeed in doing that and explain it clearly, you should get these 3 marks.